Hello, my name is Vaishali Bhanuvan, and today's my topic is the types of adverse event. The adverse event are the unintended and harmful events that occur in the healthcare settings, and they can arise from medical treatment or procedure rather than from the patient's underlying conditions. Understanding the types of adverse event is the crucial for improving patient safety and healthcare quality. And we will see the detailed explanation of the types of the adverse event. First type, which is the prescription errors, incorrect drug dose route or the frequency prescribed, dispensing errors, mistakes in the pharmacy, such as giving out the wrong medication. Administration errors, which is the errors in how the medications is given, including wrong patient, wrong dose, wrong time, or wrong route. Next, the monitoring error, which is a failure to properly monitor a patient's response to a medications. Next, second type, which is the surgical events, which is the surgery performed on the wrong side of the body, wrong procedure, which including performing the incorrect surgical procedure. Next, the retained surgical terms, which including the foreign objects like a sponge, instruments inside the patient. Complications, infections, complication infections, which is the infection, bleeding or damage to the organs and tissues during the surgery. Next, the infection related events, which is the healthcare associated infection. It is the infection acquired during hospital stays, such as surgical site infections, catheter associated urinary tract infection, central line associated bloodstream infection, and ventilator associated pneumonia. um, a severe body response to infection that can lead to tissue damage or organ failure and the death. Fourth type, which is the diagnostic, which is the misdiagnosis, failure to which is the failure to which is the failure to identify a condition that is present. Delay diagnosis, which is a diagnosis that is not made in a timely manner, potentially leading to worsening of the condition. Next, the incorrect diagnosis, which is the misidentifying one disease or the condition for another, leading to incorrect or delay treatment. Fifth type, which is the which is the device related events. MAF, MAF, unconditional unexternal medical devices, which is the equipment or device that failed during use, such as the ventilators, infusion pumps, or the diagnostic machines. Next, the improper use of devices, incorrect application or the use of medical devices by healthcare providers. Sixth, which is the patient falls. In hospital falls, patient falling in a healthcare facility, which can result in fractures, head injuries, or other significant, such as they are harmful. Outpatient falls, which is the falls that occur during multi-patient visited or procedure. Seventh, which is the blood transfusion reactions. Hemolytic reaction. First, we will see hemolytic reaction, which is the destruction of the which is the destruction of red blood cells due to the incompatibility in and the fibrous reaction, which is the fever related transfusion. First we will say reaction, which is the responses to transfuse blood products. Next, the anesthesia related events, which is the anesthetic complications, adverse reaction to anesthesia, such as a malignant hyperthermia, respiratory complications, or drug reactions. Next, the awareness during surgery. Patients, they become conscious during surgery due to insufficient anesthesia. Next, the radiation and imaging errors, which is the radiation over exposure, excessive exposure to radiation during imaging procedure, incorrect imaging, which is the mistakes in performing imaging studies, such as imaging the wrong body part. Next, we will last point see patient identification errors, which is the wrong patient including the treatment or procedure perform the wrong patient due to identification errors. Thank you.